Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use NameDrop to share contacts on iPhone. Now, unlock both devices and hold the top edges of the phones close together until a glowing animation appears. But in my case, I'm going to use that manual method of sharing just the contact. So I'm going to place my other phone here, right, just to show you how, right, and make sure also here to turn on or enable AirDrop and Bluetooth all together. So I'm going to use my other phone now just to show you how. Go to contact. Let's say I want to share my contact here. So I'm going to hold this contact, hit share, all fields, hit the check mark here. Oh, sorry for that. Let me go back and go back. Right, hit AirDrop. Now, all I gotta do is just take my phone, this phone, and place it close to the other phone or next to my second phone, and the contact information will be shared immediately. So basically, that's it, right? It looks like this. You place the edges together, right? And the information will be shared, whether it's photos, contact information, etc. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.